And just like on Manifest on the iPad, I can review any of this work. So I can review all these steps and make sure they're all appropriate for me. I can open up any of what we call these notes. So text notes, photo notes, video notes, all this good stuff. And then when I'm ready, what I can do is actually hit this start job button. So when I hit start job, what it's going to do is ask me to, again, associate myself with the asset. So I have the asset in front of me. And what I'm going to do is scan this QR code. So again, using the headset function, I'm just going to hit scan, and I'm going to scan and have that QR code just highlighted there. So as soon as I hit that scan button, what's going to happen is I'm just going to minimize this background to make it nice and neat. The job's going to start. So just like on the iPad, we kind of have associated ourselves with the asset, and we actually have our information displayed to us right now, right in front of me. So I have a short description just telling me what to do, a nice modularized area over here. So just like before, I'm being asked to do an inspection on the landing gear for leaks and cracks. I can actually open up these notes as well. So all these notes are really nice and easy just to open up, and I can actually cycle through these super easily. So I can see all the photos that have been marked up, the videos, the text notes. And then most importantly, I can actually see some of this AR content. So I can move around and I can actually see these are kind of nice and highlighted. The leaks and cracks, the general areas that I'm supposed to be looking. So I can check anything here, check all the struts at the top. And just like before, whether it's for training, I'm being guided on where to look. So this is much more hands-on experience. I can actually use both hands to complete this, do my checks. And then when ready, I can simply hit this done button and jump to the next step.